Hey guys, welcome to our close-up tour today. We've got 10 minutes to really get to know the BYD Soong Ultra EV, the SUV that's setting a whole new standard for family EVs in 2026. 5 key features. Let's break them down one by one. First, let's look at the exterior. The Soong Ultra EV keeps the BYD family DNA. Instead of going for a wild look, it focuses on a stable, family-friendly design. The front features a closed grille with a wraparound starring light bar. This really pulls the visual weight of the car, and with the Soong logo right in the center. It's instantly recognizable. As for the size, it's 4,850mm long, 1,910 wide, and 1,670 high, with a wheelbase of 2,840mm. That is a textbook mid-size SUV. Check out these detailed semi-hidden door handles. Nowadays, many cars go for fully flush handles. Sure, it looks cool, but what about winter? They get frozen shut. What about accidents? If the power cuts, they don't pop out. That's exactly why the Soong Ultra EV sticks with the semi-hidden design. It's practical. It's running on 235/50 R19 tires. The wheel design follows the Soong Pro style, but the overall size has been bumped up. And check out this badge flash charge. This is the soul of the Soong Ultra EV. We will get back to this in a bit. Next, let's check out the interior. People used to say BYD. Interiors look a bit old school, but the Soong Ultra EV changes everything. The design is clean, sharp, and full of energy. This color is called sea salt gray. It's cleaner than white and classier than black. Every part you touch, the dash, the doors, is wrapped in soft leather. It feels much more premium than older models. Plus, the black trim and chrome lines give it a real tech-heavy look. The whole dashboard is covered in leather. It's a big step up in quality. There's even a built-in port here for your phone holder or GoPro, very handy. And look, a driver monitor camera. If you start to nod off, it'll wake you up. You can also switch it off for privacy. We have 16 speakers made by BYD. The sound is great. Let's take a listen. The steering wheel is a new flat-bottom design, and with a gear shifter on the column, the center area is wide open. The main screen is 15.6 inches. It uses the latest system and is much smarter now. It's still not as smooth as a Tesla. There's still room to improve. But it's a big step forward. Below the screen, you get a 50-watt wireless charger. It's fast, and I love these BYD-capped real buttons. You can feel them without looking. It's safe and it's smart. And check this out. A mini fridge. It fits 8 cans of Coke. I want to show you this brushed metal panel. This is the highest quality I've seen from BYD. You have to see it in person to feel it. Even the passenger side got an upgrade. They used a new acrylic material with LED lights that dance to your music. It looks amazing. When it comes to comfort, the Soong Ultra is fully loaded. It's a 5-seater. Both front seats come with power adjustment and memory as standard, starting from the mid-trim. You'll also get heating and ventilation for both front seats. Now check this out, the queen seat for the passenger. See these buttons on the side? You've got a power leg rest, one-touch recline plus cooling and heating. Everything you need for a first-class experience. Look up, this panoramic sunroof is massive. The cabin feels so bright. And the best part, it has a power sunshade. No more burning heads in the summer. It's a simple fix for a huge pain point. To keep things quiet, the Soong Ultra uses dual-layer acoustic glass. It really shuts out the road noise. Finally, here's a major selling point, the king bed mode. With one touch, the front and rear seats fold flat to create a double bed. If you love road trips or camping, this is a game changer. Now let's talk about space. Thanks to the 2840mm wheelbase, this 5-seater is incredibly roomy. In the back, you get about 730 liters of storage. That is more than enough for a big family road trip. But check this out, the 150-liter frunk. This front trunk is a dream for anyone who loves sports. Why? Because it's completely separate from the main cabin. After a workout, you can toss your sweaty clothes and smelly shoes in here, and the smell won't get into the car. It's a game changer for keeping your interior fresh. Now let's talk power. The Soong Ultra EV features a rear motor setup with a maximum output of 270 kilowatts. It's a rear-wheel drive layout and it can hit a top speed of 210 km per hour. For the battery, every trim comes with a second-generation blade battery. Compared to the first generation, it has higher energy density, a longer lifespan, and it's even safer. You're looking at a 710 km range on a single charge. Now look at the real game changer, the flash charge technology. It only takes 5 minutes to go from 10 to 70%, and in just 9 minutes, you're already at 97%. And the cold weather performance, even better at minus 30 degrees Celsius. Charging from 10 to 97% takes only 12 minutes. That's just 3 minutes more than normal temperatures. This is BYD's latest flash charge station. It is the fastest mass-produced charging network in the world. And look at these charging garnets, a world-first sliding chip design. The cable never touches the ground and you can easily use it with one hand, left side or right side. Just slide the rail and you're good to go. But here is the real secret. Every station has its own energy storage system. Think of it as a water reservoir for electricity and a power amplifier. Even if many cars are charging at the same time, every single gun delivers a stable 1500 kilowatts. No power drops ever. Now let's look at the smart driving features. The Soong Ultra EV comes with an upgraded sensor suite, featuring 27 sensors in total. It supports the latest God's Eye advanced driving system. To be fair, there is still a gap between this system and Tesla's FSD, but BYD is catching up and they are doing it very fast. The improvement from the last generation is huge, from charging anxiety to charging as fast as refueling. The Soong Ultra and its flash charge network are redefining the limits of electric travel. I believe this car will soon be available in other countries. So what do you think of it? Leave your thoughts in the comments below.